Double-hung window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Frisco seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality, especially with double-hung windows. Frisco. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, Frisco residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort. Our window installation experts in Frisco provide top-notch services, ensuring that each double-hung window replacement is executed with precision and care. Frisco Window Installation Services offer a wide range of options, including vinyl window replacement and custom window solutions for double-hung windows. Frisco. Vinyl window replacement in Frisco is particularly favored for its durability and low maintenance requirements. Our Frisco window contractor services are dedicated to providing high-quality installations that meet the unique needs of each client. Window sash replacement is an essential service for maintaining the integrity of your windows, especially double-hung windows. Frisco. In Frisco, window sash replacement is often necessary to address issues such as drafts and energy loss. Our Frisco window frame installation services ensure that your windows remain in optimal condition, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Energy-efficient windows in Frisco are a smart investment for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on energy costs, including double-hung windows. Frisco. Our Frisco window energy savings solutions are designed to maximize efficiency and comfort. With insulated window units, Frisco residents can enjoy a more comfortable home environment year-round. Window glass replacement in Frisco is a crucial service for maintaining the clarity and safety of your windows, including double-hung windows. Frisco. Our Frisco window glass replacement experts are skilled in handling all types of glass, ensuring a seamless and secure fit. Whether you need a single pane or a complete window pane replacement in Frisco, we have you covered. Home window upgrades in Frisco are an excellent way to enhance your property's value and curb appeal, particularly with double-hung windows. Frisco. Our Frisco window style options include a variety of designs to suit any architectural style. From traditional to contemporary, our window design consultation services in Frisco can help you select the perfect windows for your home. Window seal installation in Frisco is vital for preventing drafts and moisture intrusion in double-hung windows. Frisco. Our Frisco window seal installation services ensure that your windows are properly sealed, enhancing energy efficiency and comfort. Additionally, window weatherproofing in Frisco provides an extra layer of protection against the elements. Window hardware replacement in Frisco is an important aspect of window maintenance for double-hung windows. Frisco. Our Frisco window hardware replacement services ensure that your windows operate smoothly and securely. From locks to handles, we provide comprehensive solutions to keep your windows in top condition. Insulated window units in Frisco offer superior thermal performance, making them an ideal choice for energy-conscious homeowners with double-hung windows. Frisco. Our Frisco insulated window units are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable in all seasons. With our window installation warranty in Frisco, you can have peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Window maintenance services in Frisco are essential for prolonging the lifespan of double-hung windows. Frisco. Our Frisco window maintenance services include regular inspections and installations to keep your windows functioning optimally. From window screen replacement to window leak installation in Frisco, we provide comprehensive solutions to meet your needs. For top-notch double-hung window installation in Frisco, double-hung windows. Frisco are our specialty. Our team specializes in residential window replacement. Frisco, ensuring your home benefits from energy-efficient windows. Frisco. With our window installation experts. Frisco, you can expect superior craftsmanship and a seamless installation process. We offer a comprehensive window installation warranty. Frisco, providing peace of mind for your investment. Upgrade your home with our custom window solutions. Frisco, designed for double-hung windows. Frisco, tailored to meet your specific needs. Our window design consultation. Frisco helps you choose from a variety of window style options. Frisco, ensuring your home reflects your personal taste. Whether you need vinyl window replacement Frisco or insulated window units Frisco, we have the perfect solution for you. Our window energy savings Frisco options are designed to reduce your energy bills and enhance your home's comfort. Our window maintenance services Frisco include window sash replacement, window frame installation, and window seal installation Frisco for double-hung windows Frisco. We also offer window hardware replacement Frisco and window screen replacement Frisco to keep your windows functioning smoothly. For those dealing with window leaks, our window leak installation Frisco services are second to none. Trust us for all your window weatherproofing. Frisco needs to protect your home from the elements. If you're considering a window replacement consultation, our Frisco window installation services are ideal for double-hung windows Frisco and provide detailed window measurement services Frisco to ensure a perfect fit. We also offer window glass replacement Frisco and window pane replacement Frisco for those in need of quick fixes. Our Frisco window replacement cost is competitive, offering value without compromising on quality. Choose us for your next home window upgrades Frisco and experience the difference. For those in need of window frame installation Frisco, our team is equipped to handle any challenge involving double-hung windows Frisco. We provide window seal installation Frisco and window hardware replacement Frisco to ensure your windows are in top condition. Our window maintenance services Frisco are designed to extend the life of your windows, providing long-term savings and comfort. With our window installation experts Frisco, you can trust that your home is in good hands.